What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Here we have got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and we have just received the all new update, the important security patch for the month of May on this device. I'm saying this is important because this is the first update after the One UI 8.5 release. So if your device is facing any issues after the stable version of One UI 8.5, then this update should be fixing it. Let's go to the settings, software update. And here you go, you can see the update size is fairly large, which is 544.86 MB, and the version number ends with CZE1, and in the changelog it says the security of the device has been improved and the stability of the device would also be improved with this all new update. Now, this is a critical update for all the Galaxy phones which has got the One UI 8.5 stable version from the beta version or from the One UI 8.0 stable version. Now let's go ahead and restart the device and update the software and come back and check how is the phone performing in terms of the animations, the status and lags. Let's find out if there is everything fine, and we'll also check if there is any new Google Play System update. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright, the phone has been updated. As you can see, it says software update, your phone is updated. Let me tap on OK, and it has got enough time to settle down. Let's go ahead and quickly open a few applications and see how is the animation here. The calendar app, camera application, clock, dialer, calculator, gallery, Volvo's application. Let's go to recents and let's see if there is any lag or stutter here. Working fine, close all. The quick panel, I didn't see any stutter there, which is good. Even the notification is smooth without any issues here. Now let's go to the Galaxy Store and see if there is any new updates. We have an update for the calculator and a couple of third-party applications. Let's go ahead and update them all. Now let's check if there is a Google Play System update. Let's see where we stand as far as the Google Play System is concerned. Let's go to updates. Okay, now here I see the April update for Google Play System on my S25 Ultra. Now, all this while I was seeing the March update. Now, automatically it has been updated to April. You might also be on the April update or on the May update. Do let me know in the comment section. If I check for the update, I don't see any further update. I don't see the May security patch. Of course, it will be coming probably next month. I will keep you guys posted about that. Now, this is the all new update for the Galaxy S25 Ultra or the S25 regular, S25 Plus. We have already got the update for the S26 series as well. I posted a video about that yesterday. If you missed to update your device, go ahead and check out the update on the S26 series as well. And if you're interested in this gradient wallpaper, this is on Volvo's application. Go to collections, scroll all the way down. You will find the gradient collection. Just tap on that and you will be able to find some beautiful gradient wallpapers, including the one that you see in this video. So do go ahead and check that out. That's something which I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.